In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the look and feel of your website's menu using CSS. With just a few steps, you can make your website more visually appealing and ensure that it stands out. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your website's style sheet or CSS file. Typically, this is accessible through your website's content management system like WordPress or directly through your hosting file manager. Being in the right place is essential because this is where all the magic of customization happens. Now, before making any changes, it's always a good idea to create a backup of your current CSS file. This will serve as a safety net in case you want to revert any changes. Trust me, taking a few minutes to do this can save a lot of headaches later on. Next, identify the class or ID of the menu you want to customize. You can do this using the browser's developer tools. Simply right-click on your menu on the web page and select Inspect or Inspect Element. This will open a panel where you can view the HTML and CSS associated with your menu. Look for the distinctive class or ID names, which will be your targets for customization. Once you've identified the correct class or ID, it's time to start coding. Head back to your CSS file and add a new section. Suppose your menu's class is called .main_menu. You'll start by writing .main_menu, and then it's all about deciding what changes you want to make. Whether you're looking to change the font size, color, or even the background color, now is the time to get creative. For example, if you'd like to change the background color, you might write something like background color naturally used as an BFF to give it a nice blue shade. To make sure your changes are visible, always save the CSS file after each modification. Then refresh your website to see how your menu looks. It's always exciting to see those changes take effect immediately. If something doesn't quite look right, don't worry. Simply head back into your CSS file and tweak the variables until you achieve the desired look. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your website's aesthetics, so feel free to experiment with different styles and layouts. It's about finding what works best for the context and functionality of your website. Once you're happy with your changes, take a moment to review your website across different devices and browsers to ensure everything looks consistent and functions as intended. This will help provide a seamless user experience for everyone visiting your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to use custom CSS to enhance your website's menu. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to practice and, most importantly, have fun with it. Thank you for watching and happy developing.